Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay Channel. Today in this video we will see how to personalize Windows 10 for your needs. If you desire to enjoy a personalized experience on Windows 10, this tutorial will help you to customize and tweak the desktop and user interface. It will only require some minutes to make the changes. But once done, you will get a new desktop. You will also find it better than changing the theme. Well, in this video, I will be explaining the process of customizing Windows 10 from a taskbar to Windows color in a step-by-step guide. Let's begin then. Windows 10 is an awesome operating system, so you get many perks including customizable themes. These themes let you quickly change the color scheme, system icons, and a lot more. Do you wish to try one? For that, we have to open the settings. From the start menu, open the settings, click on the personalization and then select themes. If you think the themes are not creative enough, see here, these are the themes. So we can select any one of the themes among the present. It will show you a huge list of themes in Microsoft stores. You can click to select theme and click the get button to install it. You can also repeat the process to download the multiple themes. When the themes finish downloading to your system, you can check them under the themes under personalization in settings, as you have seen already. At last, click your desired theme to set it on your system. And finally, you will see your desktop changing from Windows 10's desktop with the default theme to a brand new desktop like the one shown now here. It's not just the desktop wallpaper that's changed by applying the new theme. It's also changed the taskbar's color, icons color and more, which you will visualize after applying the theme on your system. Second one, system customization. See here, if you are not satisfied after applying the theme, you can always switch back to the original theme named Windows 10. But sometime you may like the color of a theme. However, maybe don't like its background or sounds. This brings us to the question, what can you do if you dislike a part of the theme? You can customize the theme itself. Let's check now. Now we will go for Windows 10 settings. Under settings, personalization. Under themes, you will see 4 options named background, color, sounds and mouse cursor. You can click on each option to change it. Then what happens? You will customize the theme to make it yours. You can give a separate name for your selected theme. Now, changing the background. For changing the background again, we have to go for setting. In that personalization, click the background on the left. On the screen, you can choose a color, a picture or a slideshow of the picture using the options under background. Then you can customize these as well through the other options provided with each of the options you pick under the background. Changing the colors. Now how to change the color? Again same settings, personalization, click on the colors. On this page you can pick any accent color for all apps and windows or choose to auto pick a color from the background by checking the option named automatically pick an accent color. You can also set transparency by toggling on transparency effects. Next comes how to change the lock screen. Then again same settings personalization, choose a lock screen from the sidebar. Here you can choose a background for the lock screen, a picture or slideshow of pictures or window spotlight. Then you can also choose apps to show the status messages using the plus icons like showing the weather information. Then comes changing the sounds. Here also settings personalization, click on the themes, then click sounds in the center. In the sounds window, you can pick sounds under sound scheme, or you can click one of the program events like notification and choose a sound from the drop down named sounds, and finally click OK. Now the final one, changing the mouse cursor. Here in the settings, again under personalization, click the themes on the left and mouse cursor in the center. Then switch to the pointers tab and choose one set of cursors through the drop down named scheme. It lists many cursor schemes. Or you can change each cursor under customize by clicking the cursor, then clicking browse to select a new cursor file to change it. Using the third party themes. So far it was all about the native themes available in Windows 10. If those don't sacrifice your creative mind, you can always opt for third party themes also. However, you must be note that themes from the third party developers may not be as perfect as the default themes. However, they may just break your system or mess things up in Windows 10. Therefore, you must always create a restore point before trying out anything given. Since I warned you, let's check the places to get them. I found two of them to download third-party themes for Windows 10, that is DeviantArt and themepack.me, but these are to be used very carefully. Display widgets on desktop. You must have remembered desktop widgets, that is Windows sidebar if you have used Windows XP or Vista. Unfortunately, they have been removed in Windows 7. In case you are not aware, desktop gadgets or widgets in Windows are same as home screen widgets in Android. They are small pieces of software that run on your desktop and display live useful information. For example, a weather widget may show weather info, a system widget may show storage info, etc. The answer is a free open source program known as Rainmeter. It's a desktop customization tool to display fully customizable and functional skins, that is widgets, on your desktop. Since Rainmeter has a community of skin developers and it's easy to search for and get new skins, that is new widgets. However, Rainmeter has a long learning curve. That's why I am not going to explain more about that. That's all friends about customizing your desktop and system's look and feel on Windows 10. Friends, if you not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to get more technical information. Thank you.